thin can on single track. Sometimes it's so bad that it's hitting the side of your bike, and then it's really obvious because it's going. Now that almost everyone on my bike uses disc brakes, it's a little less crucial because you can still use your brakes while your wheel is a little funky. It's like not as big of a deal.
Yeah, remember you'd hear it.
Hello.
And then also, if it was really bad, then it would
Hello.
pull your
Ow.
brakes while you were.
Ow, 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 ow.
It's not good either.
Does it mess
Ow.
with your brake or is eventually
Ow,
it's super
titi.
like does it make the
Malakas
the
yun,
rotors
ah.
at a certain point or no?
Bakit mo ako binabait ng malakas?
Which has nothing to do with the
Yan, bawal lumabas.
Of tension.
Bawal
Should we
lumabas.
quickly go through the parts
Yeah.
of the wheel?
Yes.
Just so that we're all on
No,
the
no,
same
no.
page. Got your tires.
Ala, la, 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 la.
Got your footprints.
Mag-harvest ako ngayon itong Spanish chili daw to. Purple siya. Yung dahon niya is purple. And yung bunga din niya is purple din siya kapag young pa. Pero kapag hinog na, nagiging red. So, bigay lang dito sa amin. Kakilala namin. Tapos, yun, tinanim ko. And, tikman natin kung gaano siya kaanghang. Ayan, ganito siya sa... Para siyang cherry. Ang cute. Yung smell niya is manghang. Ayan. Yung taste niya is matamis na yung anghang niya is hindi masyadong talagang katulad nitong sili na to. Itong kulikot na to. Grabe ang anghang nito. Pero ito, hindi siya maanghang. Ano siya? Medyo matamis. Ang kakaiba lang nito is ang dami niyang seeds sa loob. Kaya yung seeds nito ay binibigay ko sa mga ibon kasi gustong gusto ng mga ibon yung seeds ng sili. So, hindi ko talaga to lagi ginagamit sa pagluluto. Pero try ko kasi matamis siya. Ngayon ko lang siya natikman. Ang dami pa naman yung bunga. Para kasi siyang ano lang, yung parang flowers lang siya kapag tinatanim natin sa ating garden. Parang hindi ata ito kinakain or iwan ko ba kung kinakain ba to. Pero sayang kasi magwe-winter na kaya tatanggalin ko na itong mga hinog. Ilagay ko lang to sa freezer. Or hindi ko lang kung anong gagawin ko. Baka gagawin ko ditong chili garlic oil. Lagyan ko lang ng ilang pirasong siling kulikot. So, ano siya, magiging maanghang. Itong siling kulikot, medyo late na sila na namulaklak. Kaya ngayon, green pa yung mga bunga nila. Oh. Hanggang ngayon, namumulaklak pa lang. Ipapalamig na. Sana, hihinog pa yan. Naririnig ko yung ingay ng washing machine. Papatapos na kasi. Actually, September na. End na ng September. September, anong pizza na ba ngayon? September 27 ata ngayon. Pero, tingnan nyo, nakapang summer ng suot. Bihira lang to sa end ng September na maganda pa yung panahon. And, yun yung gustong-gusto ng mga tao dito. Kung pwede lang, hanggang December na magandang panahon eh. Pero yung iba, gusto naman nila yung medyo malamig sa Pasko para parang feel din nila yung Pasko kapag malamig. Kasi yun yung nakasanayan nila. Lalong-lalo na kapag may snow. Talagang ma-feel nila yung kapag Pasko na tapos may nag-snow. Gusto ko rin yun. Hindi lang lagi kasi yung snow okay lang siya kapag ano lang siya pang experience or wala tayong trabaho. Lalong-lalo na sa trabaho ko, magde-deliver ng post sa labas. Mahirap kapag mag-snow. So, mas gusto ko na paminsan-minsan lang. Para siyang ano talaga, cherry. Yung forma niya. Pero ayoko na nitong magtanim next year. I have enough. Mas gusto ko yung ano, talagang magagamit ko sa pagluluto. Itong sili na to masarap, sabi ni Mister, kaya magtanim ako nito marami for next year. Meron pa dito pero hindi pa siya hinog. And look at that. Ang cute ng sili na to pero super anghang yan. Ayan. Calamansi.
Manually align the calipers so that there's space on both sides of the rotor. Tighten the bolts.
Hello, hello. What's that? What's that? That's chili. Yeah, that's chili. Girl, come on. Hey, 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 hey. Coco. Coco, Coco. Nag-away na. Ang kulit. Ang kulit. Yeah. Hello, Marcia.
Welcome to the shed. I'm Sid.
Hello. Hi.
We're going to be learning how to true a wheel. Great. We're going to lefty to loose. We're going to lefty tighty. No, we're going to righty loosey. For this task, you will need either trimming stand or your bicycle lesson zip tie, a spoke ring, and obviously your out of true wheel.
Why are you treating wheel?
It's not true. What does that mean? It doesn't mean it was lying to you. It means that it is quadly. Method one is going to be the good old trimming stand.
We'll show you guys a trick at the end for truing it without a truing stand,
Hello.
but all the same concepts apply,
Hello.
and it's a lot easier than a truing stand.
Alright, so
Hello.
a wheel being out of true means it's got this little wobbly thing going on. If you don't want that, so
Hello. Oh, pupunin.